Today's history, November 5th. Year 1556, Mughal power was restored in India following Bayram Khan's victory at the Second Battle of Panipat. Year 1838, Honduras declared its absolute independence, seceding from the United Provinces of Central America. Year 1914, France and Britain declared war on Turkey, widening the conflict of World War I. Year 1930, social critic Sinclair Lewis won the Nobel Prize for Literature, the first American to receive the honor. Year 1940, Franklin D. Roosevelt was elected to an unprecedented third term as President of the United States. Year 2013, India launched its first interplanetary spacecraft, the Mars Orbiter mission, which was unmanned. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel to get regular updates and support us.